Yahweh, we lost our way, but not our faith. Bring us home. We built altars in the wrong lands, prayed to names that weren't yours, chased the gold and forgot the law while you waited at the door. But the wind keeps calling, come home, and I can feel Zion whisper in my bones, return to Zion. Heart on fire, we've been lost, now we're climbing higher. Tears in my eyes, truth in my soul. Yah's love made this broken man whole. I see Judah in the rain, Levi in the flame, Issachar dreaming, still calling your name. 12 tribes scattered, but the remnant remain, and the promise still bleeds in our veins. Return to Zion, heart on fire. Return to Zion, heart on fire. Now we're climbing higher. Tears in my eyes, truth in my soul. Yes, love made this broken man whole. Hold us close, Father, till we see Jerusalem again.